Hi everyone, it's Casey with Punky Hair Color. I just used Color Off on my hair and now I'm ready to apply the semi-permanent. Today I'm going to be using apple green as well as bright yellow. So let's get started. So first you're going to put on your gloves and then you can either apply it straight from the jar or you can put it in a bowl and mix it. So today I am going to put the bright yellow on my side cut as well as my bangs. And I'm going to put the apple green all over everywhere else. So I'm going to start with the bright yellow. I'm going to go ahead and put it into a mixing bowl. So I'm sectioning my hair off. I'm going to start with my bangs first. I'm going to make sure I have all the hair ready. I'm going to do it in sections. So I start from root and go down to the tip. And then I kind of pull it through with the gloves. Look how vibrant this color is, it's beautiful. This is my first time doing yellow, so I'm really excited. Back and make sure I got all the blonde pieces around my face. Make sure I really saturated it all. Alrighty, and the bangs and the side are done. So next I'm going to go in with the apple green. I'm going to use a different brush for the green in a different bowl. I'm going to start with one jar. Okay, kind of mix it up. Alright, so I'm down in the last section. So I'm going to go ahead and let that down. I'm going to do it in two parts. And once I'm done, the color is going to sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. And then I'm going to wash it out. Alright, so I let it sit for about 30 minutes and now I'm going to go and rinse it off. Alright you guys, so this is the finished product. As you can see, I have bright yellow on my bangs and on my side and apple green all over. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you.